give me everything and everything you've given me, I always keep it inside. You're the driving force in my life. Yeah. There isn't anything or anyone that I could be, cause it just wouldn't be right if I didn't have you by my side. Oh, you were there for me, love and care for me, when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you have been to me. You will always be, you will always be the girl in my life for all times. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. You know I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like this from the start. Mama, I just want you to know, loving you is like food to my soul.
Ladies and gentlemen, I ask all the staff of VA staff, please get ready. You are going to be next. Ladies and gentlemen, Good Shepherd Church, if you all are still here, all the members of Good Shepherd Church, you are going to be next. All the members of Good Shepherd Church, you're going to the next, please start warming up.